Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda Rebel 300. This lightweight cruiser just arrived with only 3,400 miles on the odometer. Fuel injected, liquid cooled. Wait till you hear that exhaust pipe. It sounds really badass. Come on by, make your lightweight Rebel dreams come true. This awesome matte white finish Rebel 300 for just $39.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.